welcome back to my channel. I'm Monal Shah, and in today's video this is going to be a really short and crisp video as comparative to my other videos, because I know मैं बहुत बातें कर लेती हूँ और मेरी videos बहुत लंबी हो जाती है. So yeah, this video is actually going to be a lip care video for winters. I have tested all these products in 2020 and I am bringing these products to 2021 for sure, because honestly I am in love with every one of these. And we have 5 products, so this video is going to be really short. First one is this lip scrub. This one is from MAC. This one is a sugar scrub. This is how the scrub looks like. Honestly, this is such an amazing scrub. This is called Sweet Vanilla. I will show you how this one looks. So this is how the scrub actually feels like. This is so good for winters. It's like one of the best scrubs ever. And yeah, this one is the MAC Sweet Vanilla lip scrub. Next one I have is this lip conditioner from MAC. Now this one is actually a lip balm, but whenever I wear it, it actually looks like a lip gloss. I will show you. This is how the texture actually looks like, but when you apply it, it becomes this beautiful glossy thing on your lips. It is so good. I absolutely love this lip balm because this gives, I don't know, it just gives this lip gloss feeling when I apply it, and I swear by this lip balm. Next one I have is this lip care cream from the Face Shop. I really like it. This is under a budget, so if you are looking at a new lip balm, you could definitely try this one. And the one that I have here with me is this shea butter one, and it's pretty cold today, so again this is pretty thick. I'm sure you can't really make out from my swatches on the hand, but this one is amazing. Gives your lips an amazing hydration throughout the day, and I absolutely love these 2 lip balms. Now moving on, I have another lip care product that's like one of my favorites, and I cannot live without it now because this is something that I received in PR package last year. This one is called a lip pucker. This one looks like this. It has this beautiful red tint to it. I will show you. And this balm actually has a little bit of tint. Like you can see, this lip mask actually has a little bit of red tint, which looks so good when you apply it. This is one of the best lip masks that I've ever used. This lip mask is a bit pungent for some reason, but works on your lips really well. And yeah, this one is the lip pucker that I really love, and this one is from N's Closet. Now last one in this video is this lip balm from again N's Closet. It's called Glaze. This is how this one looks like. This is one of the yummiest lip balms that I own right now. I absolutely love it. The texture is not smooth. When you will apply it, it would feel like there is some beads. I think it's because of the shea butter. This has a bit of, you know, like texture when I apply it, but this is one of my favorite lip balms to use. And oh my god, the fragrance is also really nice. So far I absolutely love these 5 lip balms for winters. Let me know which one you love. I would love to try a new lip balm for this winter season. And if you like this video and want to see more of such videos from me, please like this video, share this video, friends, comment down below which one was your favorite, and I will see you next time. Bye.